Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are making the wild blueberry banana power smoothie. We start off with putting in some wild organic blueberries. Just dump them in. Cleanse out all the metals in your body. Can't get enough of those. Have you ever heard about overdosing on wild blueberries? Dump them in. Free ripe bananas. What we are topping that off with is a pitted Medjool Date. We have this little piece of turmeric I want to add. First I started with a little thin slice. But now I've evolved and now I put in a lot more. This bad boy. Not afraid of this ginger either. This is what we will put in. Ginger. Check. Now what we do is we add the last bit of joy. We have this spinach, organic spinach. Yeah, that's it. To get it going, we are adding this straight cold water. Just enough to cover the surface. You can add the desired amount of water that you want. And now to the magic. Electricity. I have the power. Okay. There you are, my small but wise blueberry friend. I'm sorry I have to blend you in peace today, but I really need you for my heart. You give humanity so much in such a little package and take so little. Thanks for all your cancer preventive benefits and high nutrition value. You help us lower the blood pressure and stop heart attacks, all while being a booster for our brain power. You protect us against aging and reduce DNA damage. Thank you. I know you want to be eaten. Let's do it every single day. Easy peasy. Job's done. Easy to clean. And we have ourselves a power smoothie. Enjoy. Always make sure to clean it right when you're done. That's the most easy part. Just give it a little rinse, a little bit in the center, and scrub it with a little bit of soap. Just clean it like you normally would. Remember just to rinse off all the soap before you are using it the next time. Now let's taste this sandwich. You will definitely not get disappointed about this. It's fresh, it has these spices. Damn awesome. Cheers. And if you want to take this with you anywhere you go, don't put this in a plastic bottle where the plastic is slowly entering into the smoothie. And make sure you're putting your smoothie into either glass or stainless steel, like these bottles. So So I've just finished drinking this wild blueberry banana powerful smoothie. And one of the greatest things about a meal like this, you know, a smoothie, is that it only takes a couple of minutes to make, and after you're done, watch this. With this solution, you don't need any plastic. This is all made out of glass. And this one, you will have small pieces of plastic coming inside of your smoothie when you're blending it. This is much more handful, more beautiful. I love it. With this one, you don't have to dry it off, you can just set it and forget it. It will definitely be clean next time you're going to make your power smoothie. Make this smoothie every morning and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching the video, see you in the next one.